So on the screen, I have two lines. I have the parent function y equals x, or f of x equals x, and I have a translated line y equals x plus 5. I'm going to show you what the translation is here and how I can actually describe it in two different ways. So one way you can look at this is that black line shifted up 5 to turn into the blue line. A shift up 5 would be shifting that function f of x up 5, so you're taking f of x and adding 5 to it. Moving up means that y is moving up, so that's why f of x is having 5 added to it, because f of x is the same as y. Now, if I apply this transformation to the parent function f of x, I know that f of x is x. So if I know that f of x is x, I can replace it, and it becomes x plus 5. So that checks out. The other way that you can look at this is you go back to that black line, and if you change your perspective, it also looks like it actually went to the left 5 instead of up 5. Now, moving to the left 5 looks like this. You have x plus 5 inside of the parentheses. This notation means every x in the original function is being replaced by x plus 5. So the x that I just underlined is now x plus 5. So that means every other x needs to become x plus 5. And you can see how they both result in the same equation, but it's just changing your perspective whether you see that black line moving up 5 or whether you see it moving left 5. So this is just another example. If you want to pause the video, you can try it yourself. This time, I have the function y equals x minus 3. If you look at the graph, one way you could see it is that black line moved down 3 in order to turn into the blue line. Moving down 3 has this notation. You're taking all of your y's and you're shifting them down 3. That's why you're taking f of x and you're subtracting 3. Well, just like the last one, we know f of x is x. So I can replace f of x with x, and I get x minus 3, which matches the equation of the line. The other way that you can see this, instead of that black line moving down 3, change your perspective, it looks like it actually shifted right 3. Moving to the right 3 has the following notation. Sorry, I was writing a plus sign, I meant minus. So I'll just rewrite it. X minus 3 in the parentheses means the parent function is being shifted to the right 3. This notation means that every x in the function is being replaced with x minus 3. So that means the x that I underlined earlier is becoming x minus 3. And just like that, they both result in the same equation.